Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. In the last video, in a four-part video on the Cleveland Model Show 2025, this was put on by the IPMS Cleveland John H Glen chapter and the IPMS Western Reserve chapter. It was awesome, it really was. You saw the other three videos. I want to start this video off by playing a quick segment to highlight all the vendors who made so many people happy. So check this out. One big thing about the vendors that I noticed, and it has a lot to do with the setup too, is there was a ton of room to move around in there. You weren't crammed right up into the center of the room, and they had the whole stinking gym full of everything you could think of. It's a good thing that Zach was holding my wallet, or I would still be in trouble. But it was great. So many people walking in and out of there with different kits and just smiles on their faces. These guys went out of their way to make a lot of people happy, and it was a lot of fun. So now, with that, I'd like to jump into the next segment, which is the automotive segment. A lot of cars in this one, and they were all amazing. The detail that went into so many of these cars was crazy. So let's run that, and I'll be right back. told you there was a bunch of talent there, and I wasn't kidding around. Uh, Other than the cars that I brought, everything else was awesome. And it was so fun the whole day, just walking around everywhere in the vendors areas. Oh my gosh, lunch was amazing. I had a pulled pork sandwich that I'm still bragging to people at work about. But just getting to sit and talk to everybody and learn so much just walking around and listening to people talking about what they did to their kids and how they do things and how they did things different, and not just the cars. I was talking to people that did the military stuff and the fixture or the figures and all that, and just learning different techniques that I can't wait to start using. So it was a really, really, really great day. And if you're in the area next year, don't miss it because you'll be disappointed you did. Um, Again, the vendors were amazing. The people that put the show on bend over backwards to make sure that everybody has a great day. And I tell you what, I think everybody did. It was so much fun. Um, but with that, I'm going to have to call this series done. Again, I had a blast doing it. Look, I took so long putting the video out, my hair grew back. But with this, let's thank Gallery for everything they've done for my channel. Give them a check out. If you find anything you like, make sure to use Grandpa Mark on the coupon code. It'll give you 10% off of anything on your order, including sale stuff. Let's not forget to say thank you to all our active duty members, our veterans, and our first responders. They put it out on the line every single day so we could do what we're doing, and I salute each and every one of you. And with that, I'm going to let you go. Again, thanks everybody that put this show on because it was a blast, and I'll let y'all go. Y'all have a great day, a better tomorrow, and thank you very much for watching.